Alright, good morning. So, we have the deathmage event here right now. Um, I just woke up. Whew. Kind of early, so let's go over to the Goddess Assemble. As you can see, we have the blue ribbons. Go over to Celebrate Excellence. You can get the blue roses, which are the main currency. I got mine through. Already collected some of the items, sorry. I think it's this one? No. Where is it? Ah, here it is, the rose print. Based on any of these things you've done, getting her to a level 100, purple gear, orange, red gear, and awakening. Get some good stuff, so actually let's go over here. Let's go right to this box. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It says you can give random quality female. Okay, let's hope we can get at least one one. I need 9 medium crystals and 1 senior crystal, so let's go check for deathmage. I doubt we're gonna get that. Oh, I think my game crashed. Oh, it did not even. I didn't even get to see what it was. Notice the size of these. Let's actually go down and see. Oh, 600 gems, not bad. Oh, ocean goddesses in there. Okay. And emerald mage. Because I know I didn't have an emerald mage crystal, so that's nice. And commando. No, I had commando. Huh. We already had death mage crystal, so that's not anything. That's not new. But ocean goddess. Psychic sword, I think. I know musket emerald mage was not there. Oh, nine-tailed fox. And mechanical Barbie. So yeah, poison fang and psychic sword. Forest fairy. And we also have nymph. Ooh, hazel ninja is actually really good. Okay, that's good. I kind of wished for more awakening materials, but hey, we can get emerald mage to plus 10. So that's good to know. And we have the Christopher Ocean Goddess, but that really doesn't matter because we probably won't ever get her, so. Okay, let's go over. Well, let's see. Okay. Now we use those boxes. Game kind of glitched out on me, so let's actually go. Let's just do it like this. Go to stones, and we're going to convert one of those into a senior crystal. Alright, this event is looking okay. You also have the packages to go look at if you want. Well, just to show you guys, they're not really worth it though compared to the last time. Okay, intellect growth. Let's see what our magic power is. Has only 30,000 right now. Okay. And then it's going to go up to 38,000. Oh, we just got to the level 5, so I can actually go over here again to the rose print. Let's grab this. Okay, let's go over to the heroic box. This is the events boxes, if you want to spend money, of course. They are actually very, very lackluster, so this one might be worth it for the one time I might do it. I'm not sure yet, because this is very nice. And then we have the goddesses symbol skins, which are disappointing. But tomorrow we're going to be also getting our Iron Health to level 10. And then after that we're going to go for a modern mage. Where is the skins? Yeah, these skins are just fine. The only good skin in here is, or two good skins, Amber Star and Vengeance Spirits, because Magic Brick was kind of lackluster nowadays. These characters you can just get through other means. Depth's Voice you got during Christmas. You can get Manipulator through Boss War and also Troll Princess. I think you can get some more too. I'm not 100% sure. And then I have to go to Brave Door to get the last bit of essence we need. Let's get essence to get. Okay, Insap leveled up. Actually, I think about it. If we go over here, you can actually exchange. Yeah. Where is it? Wait. You can actually get her skin. If you don't have deathmage, so this is kind of nice. And of course, you also have starstones, your advanced skin coins. Depending on what, let me go check what's in the shop so I can see if I can finish a skin or not. I can. But anyways, this video is supposed to be about deathmage. Let's go back down. Oh, wait. Man, we don't have enough junior crystals. Unfortunate. Well, I'm kind of down. Hopefully there's nothing too crazy in this video. So let's go see deathmage's damage now. Bloody Hunter. Maybe Psychopath. I look for him in tanks, even though I know he's in support category in my brain. Sometimes. Okay, now she's level 5. She has 8,000 more magic power. Let's see if it makes a big difference. Definitely needs an artifact still, though. Okay. She has great survivability, so that's never been an issue with her. Especially when she gets an artifact, she will be really, really annoying to kill. Okay, let's see. She didn't even break 300,000. Same total. I'm gonna swap out Psychopath. Where is Warrior Detective? There you are, sir. Video crashed again. But anyways, let's go over to Boswell again. There wasn't that much of a difference with Warrior Detective, so that's unfortunate. I mean, she did do slightly more damage. Only slightly more. I'm trying to think of great support heroes to use. So I'm going to mage category. Frost Dragon. Okay. I mean, she's doing good for no artifact, because if she had an artifact, for sure she would be pumping out stupid amounts of damage. Plus, during this event, we'll probably be able to get to, hopefully, to like 15. Okay. Slightly better damage. A little bit less. We just got to that mark a little bit faster. No deathmage. Wow, see? Deathmage doesn't even have an artifact. Imagine if she had an artifact and she was a little bit higher with the skin. Leveled up like I do with Emerald Mage. Emerald Mage actually has a stupid amount of stuff put into Guild Ruin as well. Not the damage is there. She has potential to sweep teams. Do crazy amounts of damage. Okay, let's go to Magic Power. Okay. Plus 20. Okay, 23. Now she's sitting at 40,000. Magic Power. Go to Skin. And get this at 20. They're gonna make that much of a difference. Okay. Hopefully we can get it to 16, hopefully. Okay, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm kind of been exhausted with work. But there is also, where is it? These, so if you spend 500 blue roses and 200 blue ribbons, you can get actually a lot of good stuff. So, if you look forward to that, we'll see if I go for this. This is good. This has potential to be good. Oh, actually, let's go open those boxes before I forget. Where are you? There they are. Oh, Himmer Judgment. Hazel Ninja, Inevitability Lady, Sky Guardian. Sky Guardian is kind of nice. Ice Mage as well. Venom Master. Yeah, there's a lot. And Queen of Misfortune. Quite nice to get Sky Guardians that can level her up down the road. Definitely the best one though was Emerald Mage. Ocean Goddess is kind of useless. Because she's a mythic hero, so you tie her to your best character, which is probably going to be Succubus, since Succubus is higher than everywhere else, and we'll get her skin leveled up, and we'll get her all sort of that at some point. But yeah, anyways, everyone have a wonderful day, and goodbye.